left Sky City Grand Hotel to come to Parachute Music to record. Who does that these days, to be honest? Kia ora whānau, we're here at Parachute Music to write songs with heaps of amazing artists. We're here writing songs for our new EP.
Getting ready to write some bangers with some banger people. Waiaka crushes here.
Tēnā tātou i hui mai nei, nei ngā mihi anō hoki ki a tātou rangatira ko tā mai nei. Tēnā koutou.
Tēnei noa haerenga raupā hei whamahi mā koutou. Nei, e noho i te wairu whakauti, e roi i tō tātou kaupapa.
He waka whakapono tēnei. Using our rangatahi as the tauihu of the waka.
Any of us been like jotting down ideas or anything like that? Like what you want, any whakaraos you want to write about or? Oh, I guess I'll break down like how I would. I'm like old school, I go like primary school and put like my centre, you know, whakaro or whatever's like right in the middle and then I just branch it out. And...
Yeah. Because of COVID, I just had a thought, like write a song for the mati.
Cool. Tino Māori tērā whakaro ki.
Aha, take I tipaku ni a koutou we nā momo kupu, we rā kupu.
For the songwriting, I thought it was going to be quite easy. It's a lot harder than I thought. When it comes to writing music, take your time. It's always good to be patient.
We used to come in and it's all ready to go. You just sing. Now we know what it's like. It's training.
Who wants to jump on the bike? Yes.
Tried to find my way to go, and through it all, I'll always know.
Kopae, that's a great start.
Yeah.
Anyways, lunch is ready. When Uncle Rob had put us into our groups, you know, it was me, Tanae and Jamie, and then
Me and Jamie's off, going back home, but we don't want to. But we've got to go to work tomorrow.
and that's when the nerves started kicking in.
I think you're doing awesome though, darling.
The girls have had to go back home. She actually had to really dig deep. She wasn't fearful about it. Or if she was, then she didn't really show it.
Yeah, now what? Now what?
I let the shine out.
No!
We had to do everything without the choir, so it was like an independent job. Like you had to work on it yourself and figure out which notes. You had to do the harmonies, the melody.
E tino whakapono ana ahau ki tēnei kōpaki waiata o mātou a ka hao. Ka tae au te kite I te wairua e kuhu ana ki o mātou waiata.
I'm still amazed at these ones that can jam out a song, you know, in a day. What takes me months.
Started at 10 o'clock this morning with nothing, like no words, no tune, no melody, no anything. And now it's 5:30 and my group's almost got a full song. I don't know about the rest, eh? Oh, yeah, we're good.